Hello friends, welcome to another video of Trade Like a FX Mac. In this video we are going to discuss about some modifications. If you have not seen the previous video, do see the previous video. It is very important, very key. I have shown you some very important concepts over there. At starting it will look as the same damn thing, but in the middle of the video there are very key concepts over there. So before moving on towards the video, I would like to say that I have a Telegram channel. The link is in description. I'll also join it in the pinned comment. Do join the channel because I cannot be active full time on YouTube. I am unable to make videos constantly, but I am completely active on Telegram. I share my analysis, share a lot of knowledge. Like seriously, join the Telegram, you will be surprised for your own self. And if you think that I'm not providing value, you may leave it. I am not here for subscribers or just a count. So if you feel I'm providing value, you can be there, otherwise it's up to you. So without wasting time, let's continue and let's begin the video. In this video we are going to discuss about some modifications. So let's see. We will break down this GBP USD trade and the modifications in that. So basically there are two modifications that we are going to talk about in this video. The first is RR and the second is volume. So let's begin with the first topic we are talking about, which is the RR. What I have noticed currently is that people are always trading at a 1:2 RR. Like me myself also, I am comfortable with 1:2 RR, but that is when you have a good win rate. Like see, this GBP USD trade was a 2.5 RR, so anything about 2.5 is good. You see, I am writing a rule over here for you. 1. Take trades only above 1:2.5 RR. Oh my bad, not 1:1.5, it's 1:2.5 RR. Not 1:2 RR. This is very important, guys. Like, yeah, if the 1:2 RR setup is very clean, then you can go for it. Like it is crystal clear and you know that it's going to go well, then you can go for it. But avoid it if it's not. Now, why I am saying this? Because you know that many traders are not profitable just because these small reasons. This 0.5 that you get over here compounds a lot and makes a lot of difference. Like seriously, if you even have a 50% win rate, what you will see is while having a 1:2.5 RR, if you win 5 trades also out of 10, you are going to bang a 12.25. Okay, sorry, let's consider round figure 12. Let's say that you take spread charges or whatever it is, so you will get 12%. You will get if you win 5 trades. Now if you had a 2 RR, you will get a 10% and you lose 5, so you remove 5% from that, so you are up a positive 5% when you are using a 1:2 RR, and you'll be up. How much you'll be up? See, the difference is not just the 2% over here. The difference is the entire game of profitability. The game of profitability lies here. That 2% will make you profitable, because usually we see that in swing trading strategies, usually what happens is the win rate sometimes decreases due to changing market conditions. Like you can see right now, see I had superb trades. This GBP USD had almost banged, I think, a 1:2. How much? A 1:9, and it just reversed. The Euro JPY trade which I recently had, let me show you. See, this was also a superb trade. See, I have written it over here also. I have written, see, target 1:2.5 RR minimum, not 1:2 RR. See, so you can see here, this is a 1:2.3 trade. It had almost, yeah, it had reached a 1:2 and went to stop loss. So that is what I am trying to say, that how will you target this 1:2? This is not magic for going from 1:2. See, yeah, you will find that yeah, my logical stop loss is over here only, like my entries are falling over here only, so my logical stop loss is over here, so I'm getting 1:2 only. For that, see my previous video. In my previous video I have shown you that how logically you can go from 1:2 to 1:1.2, 1:2.5 RR, my bad, so 1:2.5 RR. That is really a game changer, and in this video I'm going to show you the next modification, which is the next game changer for us. Okay, so let's continue with the video. Now in this video we talked about 1:2.5 RR, and the next thing now we are going to talk about, this is very important, listen to me, volume. It is very important. Volume is very key. Why am I telling this? Wait, I'll prove it to you right now. I'll show it to you. I also have a dedicated video on volume analysis. Go and see that. It is very important. I use that in my Forex trading strategy also, but where and when I use it, I'm going to show those details over here. So volume I don't use on the smaller time frames, like the 30-minute time frame. I don't use it on the 30-minute time frames in the Forex strategies. But yeah, you can use it, but it won't give you that accurate result. So what you have to do is this. I just use on these time frames. You open the weekly time frame and the daily time frame. Now the logic behind this GBP USD trade, this blue line which is going is a mean. Wait, I'll show you my volume strategy. This is the volume moving average. You can activate this to have that line over here. The input is 20. It's a 20 EMA. Okay, so this moving average, when the volume is above that, okay, and this also you can see, and the volume has spiked a lot, like it is a lot. You can see the average volume is so less, and here the volume is so high. Now here you'll say that this is a green volume. Okay, wait my friends, wait, that is not actually a green volume. You are seeing it as green. You see 9th March, 9 March, 9 March, 9 March, 9 March, 9th March. Where are you? 9th March here. Okay, so yeah, this volume is actually the bullish volume, but what sometimes happen is that you are faked out in volume on another time frame. Like see over here, you see this is bullish volume, you'll say that this is bullish. Let's enter. Now you go to the smaller time frames. Wait, what is this time? This is 14 on 6 March. 14 on 6 March. Oh come on, 6 March, 6 March, 6 March, 6 March, 6 March. Here we are. See, this is the yeah, this is the volume. This is it. That volume spike was this. That was the bearish volume, and you were faked out. You were faked out to believe that that was bullish volume. That is the difference. I have created a very detailed video. I'm not going to discuss this concept again. You can go and see there, multi time frame volume analysis. So for today's time frame, for today's video we are going to see the weekly and the daily time frames. Now here I saw that this weekly had a very big wick rejection over here, but this weekly filled the wick, and we had a good amount of volume, a good amount of selling volume. I immediately went into the daily time frame. Oh, come on, I have some issues with the internet, I think. So the main concept that I'm trying to tell you over here is that understand multi-time frame analysis. Understand what exactly multi-time frame analysis is. It is very important understanding the multi-time frame analysis combined with volume. That is the key. Now here what happened on the daily time frame. Here you can see the prices falling, it suddenly rose, and when the price, you notice when the price is going up, the volume is coming down. This is something that you love to see. Now on this day when we had entered, the volume is higher than the previous days. That clearly indicates me it was a perfect entry. Due to just certain market conditions right now, we aren't seeing clear price. Anyways, I am not blaming the markets, the mistake is completely ours. But even if this trade should have normally hit these targets on normal market conditions, like recently you can see that the market is behaving like this, but in olden days you can see that this strategy is used to work very well in 2020. You see this is also key level in 2024, how it respected. You just see how pure the moves were. You just see up rally, this retest is also so pure. Like you see the daily is closing below. Now just see the recent charts. See, what is this? What is this? We have a clear spike up, down, no, see, consolidation. Like, this is so hazy price action. In this times we have to have different strategies. So this video is all about volume. Now let's go on like random pairs, say CAD CHF maybe. I don't even have it on my red list. See, beautiful, lovely. This what this indicates to you? Clean bearish selling with high volume. This was the day to enter positions on Friday. We could have made lovely positions, say at somewhat this level.Maybe if we got some rejections from this level, we could have tapped into the smaller time frames. And yeah, now here also you can see on the smaller time frames, the previous video is going to help you a lot. Here we have not yet got a shift of structure. You see, we have not yet got a shift of structure. When you'll get a shift of structure over here, your stop loss is going to be very large. You have to understand that we don't want so large stop losses. So what you rather do is, you see my previous video, you will know the details over there. Okay, so here on this particular setup, your entry would have been over here. You would have entered over here already before the shift of structure. Yeah, I know it is against the strategy, but the thing is that you have to see what is working in the current market scenarios and behave accordingly. You cannot take one thing and go on in the same markets where the moves are pure and where the moves are hazy. You have to change things accordingly. So these are some modifications which I am showing you here. Okay, and sometimes the large volume is for fake outs. You have to understand that also. Now here you are seeing that positions are continuously building up. See, wick. Here also we are almost at the same location where we are having wicks, and we are selling over there. This surely can like sell further. Let's see. Today is anyways we are recording on 20th March maybe. So we are recording on a Friday, but you can see we are recording on a Sunday. This is the Friday close, but you can see later on Monday that how the markets reacted to this level and how did it play out. So whatever the thing is, whatever the analysis is, like, I don't know how will this react, but yeah, it should. We don't know anything. We are just betting on favor. We are just betting on odds that this thing, chances are more that this will happen. Now see, this huge selling pressures can also mean retailers selling. Why? Because they are at a key level. See, what you can say is breakout traders are going to enter over here. So this can be a trap to breakout traders also. You can just mark a zone like this over here. This can be a trap to breakout traders also with this huge volume. So there are multiple factors that you have to understand, and once you understand all the modifications, once you combine everything, then only you'll get the strategy clearly. For now, just understand that much, that volume spikes are your friend. You have to understand volume spikes properly and you have to analyze them. Go do your homework. I cannot be making long 2-hour videos explaining you and giving you 10 different examples. You need to do your homework. You see here, this was a trap. These breakout traders invited. See, that is how they are faked. That is how things happen. So you have to know all the scenarios. You have to know things. See, trading is not. Oh wait, one thing I'll show you, that trading is not a one-sided game. It is very important. I'll write it over here. Trading is not a one-sided game. If someone tells you that do this and you'll get a buy setup, do this and you'll get a sell setup, he's absolutely wrong. In one thing you can see two different perspectives. It's very important that you register this in your mind. On one damn thing there can be two different stories. On this bullish engulfing candle, you will say that the volume is very less, but you don't notice that the volume is higher than previous day. The previous day bearish, this was such a big engulfing candle. Why did it have such low volume? Why? These things are what come from experience, guys. So thanks for watching the video. I do not want to lengthen the video too much. If you want to understand volume analysis in detail, I have another video on the channel. Do see that. And remember this, guys, this is I will try to make another detailed video on this topic also. Trading is not a one-sided game. It is very important to understand this. So that is it for today's video, guys. Do check out the entire TTS series. It will really change you as a trader. One thing which I want to say, that my videos which I make over here are not scripted. Sometimes you will feel also that what is this guy speaking like? He doesn't sound like other YouTubers. He doesn't sound like clear structured videos. But that is who I am. That is what I am. I cannot fake. I cannot fake out. That is something who I am, what I am. So I just sit to make a video for you guys. I am like that. Today I'm going to explain this concept. Let's open up the charts. Let's directly start the video and let's show them that what I know. That's all that I do. That is why sometimes it can be that while showing a concept, I show you, but still my stop losses are getting hit. It is that way only. Trading is, I do not want to show you the perfect setups, pre-analyzed ones. No, I don't want to show you that. I can show you my continuous take profits also, but I don't want to. Okay, you guys are smart enough to understand things. Thank you for watching the video till now. Do join my Telegram channel. It contains loads of value over there. Like, seriously, I can't define how much value I'm providing over there, because I cannot be continuously over here on YouTube making videos for each and everything. It is difficult for me, but I am there continuously on Telegram, like continuously throughout the week. I update my entries and SLs also. So thanks for watching. That's it for today. Forex on the site.